Ng'ene na wach mano ma Kenyaka ne jogo eko mabende nooro pande magi to pok oyudo mar mondo bi gindikre kaka joluto ombulu. Jacob kapok amere konga nitiere paro mana ni nitiere godo.
Nadu mana medo kama wadwa nowacho. Ing'eni gima ji bende confuse mang'eny en niya ni the rights of accused person vis-a-vis the rights of an impeached person. Ing'eni accused person samo make. The law assumes ni an innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. The impeached person, impeached leader, prosecution nemo kuongo timrega e parliament kata e the senate. That is where the prosecution takes place. Some manemo mineno ga senate kaka mara the deputy president, the parliament miye thuolo maro bi duok penjo or appear, and it is always made public. Kastitere senate bende the process timre the same. By the time members of parliament vote, if the impeachment carries the day, mano nyiso ni he is been found guilty, and therefore he is now not innocent. As an accused person, moro ka otere cell, kasto ko itere court, timi okashbel tiwe oko, ni en koro team case nyaka chieng moro case timre na the room. By the time Gachagua was running to the court, and no se bedo convicted, no se gole office. The conviction is here, no se gole office. Nyiso ni senators and members of parliament no say you do not guilty of the offense. And therefore, until the courts overturn that conviction, he stands guilty and impeached. Ko onge kake wacho ni ngato nyawacho kanie ni kia o explore the court options. And court ko gimonyalo explore ni be court yalo duoka na bet maler aduoga chung. But sani en ngama no sebedo convicted gi both parliament and senate ma en koro konya chung unless the court emo overturn that to gino be kotimre to nyaki yude ni koro iduoke e office. And even you saw samano di court mano tim the ruling. Onge kama court no wacho ni Gachagua nego bene dok office koro imiye salary ne mar dweche mosebedo kogi. Nyiso ni kata mana court bende no wacho ni ngani no obedo impeach. No impeachment no ko bedo overturned. Ko Gachagua nyaka samo weni okonyal chung Kenyaka e sit moro. But pod en gi rights moko kata convicted person e cell a prison court. Nigi rights. Right of association, right of speech,
Movement.
A movement yonge go some in prison, you don't have right to movement. No get them yonge. Movement kiti chiemo. Rights are now limited.
Very gimantiere.
Language
ni kor maga Gachagua ni.
Go maga Gachagua ni. Right for movement. Magani olkalao no. Ko speech gi to yiene wacho gwa modo wacho. But right to run an elective seat to onge go.
Mano ntiere kare kedo jopiny